am an EHS specialist here at Takeda, which is an environmental health and safety. I'm in the Takeda Grange Castle site here in Dublin, Ireland. The CAPS team on site is the Climate Action Programme for sites. It's a corporate initiative brought in basically to help us here on site, go the whole way with this and reducing our own impact. People aren't just going to immediately know what a climate action programme for sites means and what we're trying to achieve and do. So it was a big awareness campaign. We had a full week of activities. We had days where we basically showed the employee how to save energy at home and then how to bring that to work as well, how to reduce waste in their home, how to segregate waste efficiently. I think what I'm actually most proud of is our volunteering sessions with the CAPS team itself. I organised them with our local Tidy Towns group. They got a good crew out on a Saturday morning. I think there was over 20 of us and some people brought their kids along. And I think just the appreciation from the small Tidy Towns group was absolutely lovely. I think the site leadership team have actually been very engaged in the whole process. People are taking more of an interest and I suppose themselves as well, what they can do. So they know, they need to be involved in this. It's not just a corporate initiative, it's something, they do in their daily lives now as well.